Welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Artsy and we are going to have a look around Montego Bay, Jamaica to see what's happening today, Friday, December 16, 2022. To talk to some people if we can. I think I want to stop by Harbour City Shopping Center first to see what's up with that construction project, and then we'll take it from there. On this channel, we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay as well as a Learn With Me series. We meet every Sunday and sometimes I give you 1 or 2 bonus videos within the week. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. And join me over on the community tab. I ask questions to learn more about what you like, plus I give some updates there as well. It seems as if they've painted it white. So I'm standing on North Gully Bridge, hence the sound. As you can see, Bay West is across the street. That's Sagicor building there. Over here we have Harmony Beach Park and KFC down that side. If something is going on over Harmony, let's go and see. Okay, look at the Christmas tree. The Christmas lighting ceremony. Today's Friday. The Christmas lighting ceremony was on Wednesday, and today they have the Mellow Road Show happening. See? Mellow Road Show. Alright, so they have different they have, what's that? Easy Lottery, Massy Distribution, Cash Whiz, and Bigger. And Massy has I think they have samples that you can try as well. So Cap'n Crunch.
What you can do is
Alright, so try our products today. Granola bar. So you guys have granola bar, and that's $1.50 for each bar. And the yogurt, not bad. And the yogurt. I didn't know that you guys did. I want to distribute these, like the cereals and so. Okay.
That is expensive, really? That's not expensive. That's a granola bar. That's a very good price.
So their yogurts are very good, but my favorite is the Greek one, and I'm gonna show you guys shortly. Okay, so they distribute powder as well, cologne, Captain Crunch, and different cereals, Quaker Oats as well. Start before they haven't already. That's a road safety unit over there, and I think that's ACT stall over that side. And of course, but telling us some of the Pascal, I bought a pack. Look at the birds. And they still have the bounce about because it's a new offering here as well. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. A bounce about, you call it? Water slide? Water slide, but my bounce about. Part is that they have a number of places where you can wash your hands. Yep. There are a number of places where you can wash your hands. There's soap. There's what? Did you guys hear about the new traffic lights being installed in St. James? We should be getting at least 4, and according to the article I saw on Thursday, the expected cost is $66 million. Let me read a quote from that article. In Norwood, lights are being installed in Middle Road as well as the Felicity Road intersection. There's another set being installed a few meters away at the intersection with Green Pond Road. The fourth will be placed at the intersection of Rosemount and Green Pond Roads. These traffic lights are expected to help with the traffic congestion problem within that area.
Excusez-moi.
I love Jamaica.
How you doing? One of the nice books for children, adults.
Alright, come, wait, start over. Go on.
Start again. When you want the nice books them for children, adults, novels, cookbooks, anything.
All textbooks too? What?
Not
Cookbook.
text-
Oh,
next
cookbook.
textbooks, not textbook.
Cookbook.
No, baking.
Baking.
Yes. We have big dictionaries like these.
Cool. How much
Yeah.
for something like that? Chambers
This is
Dictionary.
2.5.
2.5 for
Yeah,
that.
Right at JN.
Right at JN ATM on Lower Market Street, right? Lower Market
right.
Street.
You know, books teach them how to sew and things
Because
like this.
sewing in color.
Yes, you know, we have
Oh, and you have
charts.
ABC books too for
Right,
kids.
charts and things like that, yes.
Okay.
You know, if you
And
want
novels.
if you want weight watch book, cookbooks, have them. You know, to watch your weight that you don't put on too much weight, we have those. So you can come right here and get, you know, nice books, hard page books for young children. Yes, we have those as well. You know.
So how long you been doing this for?
Well, quite a few years, you know, quite a few years. But I'm just here for about 6 years now.
Okay,
These are
I've
young
always passed
adults.
and this is the first time I'm stopping by. How much for one of the notebooks? One of the those books, the novels?
Okay, from 3 to 500.
3 to 500. Okay, not bad.
I have some for like 150, 200.
Oh,
Yes.
like these.
Yes. Yes. And we have like the classics as well. Like
Let me back up.
these are classics.
The Emperor's New Clothes.
Yes, these are classic books.
How much for the Emperor's New Clothes?
This is 200.
200.
These are classic.
All right,
Want
thank
to
you.
blend?
To blend.
Yes.
Oh, for different types of drinks, juice and so.
Have those.
All right, thank you.
Flashcards as well. So you know,
Like
when
a
you
teacher-
want those things,
teaching
you
the
come
kids.
right here.
All right.
Yeah, Lower Market Street, right at the JN. Right at JN.
All right. Then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I like it. 2.5.
Burn out. I'm the type of one them myself after anything.
Yeah, everybody, because Rihanna won't wear it. Not true. In a mobile police station. Sorry.